This is the oxide finish. This is not just a regular paint, it's a complete system wherein we are able to create real rust like iron rust, copper patina, bronze patina, such different type of rustic textures on any particular surface of your choice, whether it's a wood, it's a metal, it's a glass, any surface can be coated. It's very simple. Any normal painter in India can do this application for you guys. All you need is the oxide primer, the oxide iron material, the oxide activation chemical, and the protection coat. It is very simple, applied with a roller on top of the desired surface. After the primer has been done, apply this liquid iron or copper or bronze, any one of your choice, whichever metal you choose, and then their respective chemical activation agent. As you can see in the video behind me, you can see them applying the activation chemical. This is such a cool product that wherever you apply the activation chemical, only that area will be rusted. So that control is in our hand completely. Whether we want to make a space look modern, we wanted to make look old, we wanted to look rusted, multiple different concepts can be created with the help of the oxide finish. It can be applied with various tools like sea sponges, dragging brushes, rollers, sprays. The different tools you use will help you create different textures. The best part is it's exterior grade as well. So it even reflects the UV rays, which is another good property about this product, and it doesn't fade. Another good property is that it is replacing a Corten Steel sheet. Corten Steel sheet usually tend to bleed and to remove, and their rust comes out. This finish is going to be seamless and jointless on your complete facade or interior wall. Plus, it is also going to not bleed. It is safe for us, it is strong, it is durable, and it doesn't even get easily scratched. This is one of the best, most innovative decorative paint that any company can offer. This is Oxide by Colortech India. Thank you so much. We can't wait for you guys to come and try it.